We are at Lana Resort, Lata Keding.
What do you know about ecosystem?
Huh? Ecosystem? What is that?
For what I learned, an ecosystem is a group of biotic communities of species interacting with one another and with their non-living environment exchanging their energy and matter. Do you know there are two characteristics of ecosystem? The first one is abiotic factors and second, abiotic factors. I will explain about biotic factors. There are three things included: producers, composers, and decomposers. For producers, they can make their own food through photosynthesis. While consumers, there are four types: omnivore, herbivore, carnivore, and scavengers. While decomposers, it has various bacteria and fungi.
Oh, I see. But what about a biotic factor?
Oh, about that, you need to ask my friend over there. No, over there.
No, it's over there.
Just kidding, over here.
I'm here.
A biotic factor is non-living part of an ecosystem that shapes its environment. In a terrestrial ecosystem, examples might include temperature, light, soil, and water. The physical and chemical components of an ecosystem constitute its abiotic structure, such as climatic factors, soil factors, and many more. Now, the average temperature at this place is 29 degrees Celsius. Okay, let's discuss about the similarities and differences between terrestrial and aquatic ecosystem. I think she knows.
Me? No, she do. Hi. Today, I am going to explain about the difference between aquatic ecosystem and terrestrial ecosystem. Next, I am going to explain about the similarities between aquatic ecosystem and terrestrial ecosystem. Okay, both of these communities have made of a lot of variety of species. Like we can see in the water, we can see a lot of fish here. And the land, we can see a lot of living things there. Actually, it's mutually independent among species. Okay, for habitat, aquatic ecosystem can be found in water, while terrestrial ecosystem can be found in land. This means the plants and animals have to adapt to different environment. Aquatic ecosystem, plants and animals have to adapt to live in the water, while plants and animals in the terrestrial ecosystem have to survive their habitat in land. Okay, lastly, for the light. Aquatic ecosystems have received less sunlight than the terrestrial ecosystem. For example, animals and plants in aquatic ecosystems have to adapt with the less light than the terrestrial ecosystem, plants and animals with the more sunlight.
Next, the reason or similarities and differences between aquatic and terrestrial ecosystem. First one, similarities. Both are animals, need water, and need food to survive. Next, differences. First one, the aquatic environment are water regions like fresh water and the ocean, while the terrestrial environment are the land region. So they differ in various things like what organisms can live in there, the weather patterns, and climate, for example. Next, let's talk about the factors that impact the organism that inhabit in the given area. The first one is an environment factor. The second one is ecological factor or eco factor. If any factor are abiotic or biotic that influence living organisms. A biotic factor include ambient temperature, amount of sunlight, soil, water, pH, and the water soil in which an organism lives. The average temperature and precipitation determine the climate of ecosystem. Like right now in Lata Keding is 29 degrees Celsius. So, it's a temperature reason and similarity.
For consumers, hi.
Next, let's talk about the factor that impact the inheritance.
Okay, let's discuss about the similar.
For the next population, there are a lot of population between different